Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has shared that Apple CEO Tim Cook is likely to retain his position until at least mid-2026. Now, this is interesting because we covered a report recently that Cook was looking to step down sometime in 2026. This looks like this is a little bit of a change to that timeline. The Financial Times had earlier reported this month that Apple was gearing up for Cook's departure as soon as next year. This report has triggered speculations about a potential leadership transition ahead of Apple's annual events. However, Gurman, in his latest Power On report, refuted this claim. Gurman has expressed that he would be shocked if Cook were to step down between late January and June of next year. Quote, based on everything I've learned in recent weeks, I do not believe a departure by the middle of next year is likely. In fact, I would be shocked if Cook steps down in the time frame outlined by the Financial Times. Shots fired. He goes on to say some people have speculated that the story was a test balloon orchestrated by Apple or someone close to Cook to prepare Wall Street for a change, but that isn't the case either. I believe the story was simply false.
You are fake news.
Tim Cook won't be the CEO forever, but a report on his imminent departure was premature. Apple's chief executive officer, Tim Cook, turned 65 this month and is one of the longest tenured CEOs in Silicon Valley. I know there's a lot of talk about him not producing innovation, but I tell you what, Apple's stock price has done tremendously under his leadership. That's something that Wall Street will definitely consider. There will be a day when the company announces a CEO transition, and we're far closer to the end of Cook's tenure than we are from the beginning. Gurman also noted that there have been few signs internally that Cook is planning to step down. He further mentioned John Ternus, who we mentioned the last time we mentioned the Financial Times report. This is likely the successor. The speculation about Cook's departure has raised concerns about the future leadership of Apple, a company that's seen tremendous growth under Cook's stewardship. Gurman's prediction, if accurate, would mean that Cook will continue to guide Apple's strategic direction for the next few years, potentially leading to further growth and innovation. The mention of John Ternus as a potential successor also provides some insight into Apple's succession planning, which is crucial for the company's long-term stability and success. I think the only thing that we can gain from this is that when Cook does in fact step down, it's most likely going to be John Ternus who takes over from that.